Hi guys, my name is Shuli and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting video because I have something to share with you. I purchased two of the MAC X Shreya Jain Diwali kits and I'm here to share the swatches, the demo, the review, my thoughts about it and all things nice. And I also don't have my lipstick on, so you know what's coming. So if you're interested to know everything about this, then please keep on watching. Before we begin with this video, I would highly appreciate it if you go down and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My Instagram handle is also linked down in the description box below, so you can go follow me there because I do a lot of my crazy stuff there every single day. Also, I'm on this weight loss journey, so you can see my progress pictures, what I do, what I eat, everything over there. So if you're interested to know, go follow me on Instagram. Let's jump right in. Okay, so Shreya Jain is one of those YouTubers that I have been seeing from a very long time, and I really appreciate all her efforts for all of these years, and you know where she is today. Everything that she's accomplished today as a blogger is something we all aspire to do, and I would like to congratulate her on this amazing collaboration because MAC is it's like the Everest for anybody aspiring to do something in makeup. So it's really good, it's really great that what she's done. And this collab actually has 3 kits. There's one called Desi Girl, which I have with me, and the other one is Tere Naina, which I also have with me, and the third one I don't know the name, but I'll link down all the 3 down in the description box for you guys so you can go check it out. I didn't purchase the third one because the third one had Ruby Woo in it, and I am not a red lipstick buyer, so I was not very keen on purchasing that. It had, I think, a Ruby Woo and a mini Fix Plus, which is a great kit, not gonna lie, but I am not interested in red lipstick. Also, one of this kit already has a red lipstick, so I thought do ka kya karungi, I don't even use one in general, you know. So yeah, I purchased these two because I thought this was a steal deal, like literally. Okay, these are priced, like this one is Tere Naina, which has, I'm gonna show you what it has. So this is what it comes with: a full size lipstick, it comes with a full size kajal and a mini strobe cream. The lipstick itself retails for I think 1650 or 1700 bucks individually, but this entire kit is for 1800, so I think this was like a steal literally, and that is the only reason I went ahead and I purchased 2 of these because of how amazing the deal sounded to me. The other one is this one, which is the Desi Girl kit, which has 3 full-size lipsticks. I think, it has, I don't know what it has. This has Whirl, which is my favorite. I already have finished, I think, 2 of Whirls. This is the third one that I've purchased. Then there's Russian Red, the red that I was talking to you about. And then there's Captive. So there are 3 really different colors, and these are full sized, and this retails for 2800 rupees, which is a great steal because, as I told you, one lipstick retails for around 1700 or 1600 or something like that. So even if it is 1600, this comes up to 4800. Like individually, if you purchase these come up to 4800, and for 2800, I think it's a steal. Like really, 2800, 3 full size MAC lipsticks, it's a steal, really. So that was the price point of it. So these come in these very cute small boxes. Actually, these are really appropriate. Also, if you want to gift it to someone, like Diwali's coming, so it's like the the time for gifting somebody something. So if anybody's listening and you want to gift me something, you can give me one of these. I already have them, but then it's okay. Anything from MAC, I don't mind. You can give me the Ruby Woo kit as well. I don't use red, but I wouldn't mind it, you know. So yeah, that's about that. These are really good. I really like the way these look, the way these are formulated. These are so luxurious, like only this, gifting this to somebody, it's going to make them really happy. And these are not going to be very heavy on the pocket, but still it's going to make the person that you're gifting to really special. So great deals. And also the price point, very affordable for a MAC gift box with this price point. I think it's really affordable, and I give this a thumbs up. Like this, great. Now let's move on to the swatches of the lipstick that are already here. I'm going to start off with the lightest one, which is, I think, Whirl. So yep, Whirl, and I'm going to start off with the swatches first, and then let's move on to what else is remaining beyond that. cool toned nude. I think this will actually suit a lot of different skin tones because this is not a very light nude. Like Velvet Teddy is a very cult favorite, but it's so light, like it does not look good on me. But this is something which would actually work across a spectrum of skin tones. And even if you have darker skin, which if this does wash you out, a little bit of a dark brown lip liner just on the outer ends would actually correct the color and make this look really beautiful. And this is a little, like, it's cool tone and I love cool tone nudes. Okay, I have taupe already. I have been using taupe for a very long time. Taupe is more rusty, more warmer. This is more cooler in nature, and I think it's beautiful. Like, it's great for your smoky eyes and all of those things. So I love how this looks. I love the selection of colors in the Desi Girl kit. This is one of those, which is like a nude, and the other one is more like a berry tone color and a red, which would work for different occasions. So that's a very thoughtful way to, you know, formulate the kit. So yeah, this is Whirl. I love it. It looks really good. Nudes are always my favorite. I would never say that a nude is bad. So yeah, I love this. So this one is Captive. This is in satin finish. The other two, which is Russian Red and Whirl, are matte lipstick, but this one is a satin finish lipstick, and I'm actually really happy that they've included a non-matte formula because not everybody is happy and comfortable with matte lipsticks. I am a different breed of person. I love matte lipstick. I don't like creamy lipsticks whatsoever. This is going to go in my mother's vanity because she actually likes colors like this, and I never wear colors like this. But I'm actually feeling this makeup look today. This, like the lipstick and the eyes, everything look really pulled in together, and these high blushes. I think this looks good. No, like, do you think this makeup looks good? Put it down in the comments below for me to know, you know, so that I can do more of such kind of looks. So yeah, it's a very comfortable formula. I have another color which is again a satin finish, which is, I don't remember the name. It's, I think, I don't know. I have another lipstick, but I don't use that much, so that is the reason I don't know its name. The rest, I have all matte lipsticks. Matte lipsticks are also very comfortable. MAC does not have non-comfortable formulas, but this is again very comfortable, and it's not a very loud shade. You can still pull it off every day. You can wear it to work. This is a very good pop of color. It's not neon, it's not bright, it's just there, and it's also something that would work across a lot of skin tones. Like, I would say fair to dusky, this would work really well. This is a good color. So again, they have, the inclusivity is like really good. I like how the colors are so inclusive, and this is like a pinky berry, like, you know, somewhere in between, like a fuchsia and a berry tone lipstick. So that's really good, and it also complements our Indian skin tones very well. Even Whirl is a very complementive color that looks good on our skin tones. So I think even this is one of those colors that looks good on Indian skin tones. A new lipstick looks so damn good now, doesn't it? Like, it looks really, really nice. I mean, it looks fantastic. I've never used a MAC Red before. This is like a first time, so let's see how this fares. Wow, this is one swipe intense pigment, and I love it. If you have seen my Smashbox lipstick video, you may have already known that I love Boss. It's a very good red lipstick. This is very similar to Boss. if you're someone who likes a bullet lipstick over a liquid lipstick, I think Russian Red is amazing. This also makes my teeth look a little whiter. Because of the braces, my teeth have become very yellow over time because I'm not able to efficiently clean my teeth. But this is a very, very, very good color. Like, bang on. This looks fantastic. It's a very good blue toned red. I love how this looks. Even this is complementing the Indian skin tone so beautifully. Ruby Woo is also a good color. I've never tried it on myself to actually judge it that way. It's also a good red, but I would say Russian Red is also a very good red. You don't have to buy Ruby Woo separately if you already have this or if you purchase this kit, because this is really gonna work for you. This is a very good red. And as Navratri is already there, Durga Puja is just down the line, Diwali is coming, so the festive season is all lined up. We may not have a lot of festivities this year, but then there's no harm in getting ready, right? Also, New Year's is gonna be there in a few months, so I think for whatever occasion you want to try this, this is good. Like, this is a good red. I mean, I'm really impressed with how this looks and how this makes my skin look. I look good. I hate reds in general and I don't look good with red lipstick, but this is one of those red lipstick that I actually look really good with. I mean, this is my own opinion. I mean, you have to tell me if I do really look good with it. Wow, this is a beautiful red. Also so comfortable. You can wear it for longer hours. It's really comfortable that way. Russian Red really did stain my lips like a lot. Yep. That was the Desi Girl kit actually. I swatched all the 3 colors from the Desi Girl kit. Now moving on to the Tere Naina kit, which has only one lipstick, which is Soar, and I'll be swatching that for you now. Okay, I thought Whirl was going to be my favorite, but Soar is actually my new favorite nude neutral lipstick. I love it. I mean, it's so beautiful. This is, this gives my lips a very pouty feel. I love the way this looks. And this color is like a really good Kylie Jenner-ish color. You know how she looks. This is like a nude, but with a hint of mauve and purple in it. So it's not like a brown nude, and it won't bore you. It's so different. It's so beautiful. I am in love with this. Like, my current favorite lipstick has to be Soar, and I'm gonna use this so much. I love it. This is beautiful. Like, I'm really happy with my purchase of both the kits. And also you can see all the 4 colors, very different, very unique. And the third kit has Ruby Woo, which is again different, but I don't know how different is it going to be from Russian Red. Not swatched them side by side to actually judge on that factor. But these 4 colors, really unique. This is like more of a brownie nude. I think Soar is also matte. I am not sure. It looks and feels matte. Yep. Soar is also matte. It's a matte lipstick. All like, except for Captive, which is a satin finish, the 3 are matte. This is Russian Red, this is Soar, and this is Whirl. All are different. This is more like a brownie, everyday cool tone nude. This is more like a mauvey, purpley, neutral nude lipstick. This is more like a berry tone pink, and this is like a blue tone red, which is great. I'm really happy with whatever I've purchased. This is a good collection. Really useful, I would say. It's not something that is just... I mean, the thing I loved about this is, generally when people formulate such kits, it's very useless and not very intrusive. Like the Smashbox kit that has 2 lipsticks, the mini ones, it's a good buy. For $9.90 you're getting 2 of the mini lipsticks, which is a very good buy, but the colors are not as good and as inclusive as this one. Even Soar would suit a spectrum of skin tones. You can always use a darker lip liner to make this work for you if it doesn't, but I know for sure it is going to look good on at least 80% of people. This is such a good color, so universal, so beautiful. but like the Smashbox kits, you know, like driver's seat is I would say a very light color, wouldn't look good on everyone. Gulabi, not good, not worthy of everyone to try. Like it'll just suit a very fair range of skin tone, not everybody, but the colors in these kits are so inclusive and so beautiful that like they're gonna look great on everybody. I am actually very thankful of Shreya for being so thoughtful about including these kinds of colors in her kits, which everybody could use, and also, you know, they are so affordable. Like you're getting 3 full-size lipsticks for 2,800. You can't even get 2 MAC lipsticks at 2,800 if you try today. So this is that, and the other one is again really inclusive. At the price of 1 MAC lipstick, you're getting like a kajal, a lipstick, and a little strobe cream. So love it. I love the entire kit. And if you are actually planning to purchase any of these kits, you should get your hands on as many as possible and as many as you are interested to purchase. So yeah, that was the end of this review and swatch party. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other video recommendations for me, then put it down in the comments below and I would be more than happy to do them for you. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.